Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Wally World, tiny haul from Wally World, and Dollar Tree, tiny haul from there, and then a little goodie from Tonya from MemoryLaneKeepsakes. So, I had to go, I'm going to label some stuff that came in from my scrapbook.com order, so let me get some more of these. I already have some, but I didn't want to run out while I was making them. Because when you're on a roll, you need to stay on that roll. So I just want to have extra. So I had no excuse to stop while I was organizing. So I got those. While I was there, I found this one. I was so mad because they have like, at least my Walmart had maybe like 5 or 6 different beautiful color sets. And they never had the stickers on them, how much they cost. So apparently they are $10, $9.97. And this is on clearance for $2.50. Look at that. All this ribbon for $2.50. That's what? An inch each. I don't have anything this color. And look at those tassel ones and the pom-pom ones. All of that for $2.50. So, let's see. It's an inch. So it's not a lot on each. It's not like it's a lot. It looks like it says, hold on, let me see how much is on each one. It says a foot. 6 feet. So 2 yards, I guess. But, yeah, so I was excited. I know I need no more ribbon, y'all. I know that. God knows I know that. Sometimes it's like not a blessing to see stuff on sale. But yeah, so you got like 2 yards. But that's good for $2.50 for all of this. So I got all of those. So I'm hoping that I've gotten the other colors. So they had turquoise, purple, they had yellow, I think it was. I don't remember what it was, but it was like 4, I can't remember how many different color sets they had, but I know I kept looking at them. But anyway, I'm excited to get that. So that was that from Walmart. And then I got some other personal stuff, you know, house stuff and stuff, but anyway. Went to Dollar Tree. Just looking for some possible storage. I am getting 2 of the meal preps. I'll try them and see how they work inside of my little, you know, like your bins that go in your calyx and stuff, and just, or, you know, so you got these 3. You can take them out or keep them in. I just thought it might be something to use as potential storage. We'll see how that goes. And so, I ain't getting anything in the Dollar Tree. Nothing. But while I was there, I did pick up a couple things. I was watching Colorful Minds video, and she had showed these. Let me see if I get one out. Come on. She had showed these for storage. What's in these? Okay, these are stackable. And again, the same thing. I just thought I could use these around the room to stack some things. I like the fact that these are very cheap. I must say that I can feel the plastic is very cheap. This feels cheaper than some of the dollar stuff I've already felt. Like, I mean, you know, it's $1. But this feels a little cheaper than their normal Dollar Tree stuff. But I did like them because we're dropping everything. They do stack. They had them in the gray, the teal, and in the peach. So they're stackable. So, you know, for the most part, for the Dollar Tree stackable. So that was why I got those, and I got 6 of those. I got to get used to paying $1.25. The little quarters add up. I walked out the store the other day and I bought some stuff, and I had like 13 items, and she charged me 17, and I didn't get my receipt because I said I didn't need one. She was on the phone. I was on the phone. I sat in the car and I said, dang, I can't even go back in there and complain because I didn't get my receipt. And these prices, she rang me up too much. She was talking on the phone. I think she double charged me. Then I realized, I forgot, oh, I got to add them extra quarters on. She didn't overcharge me. So I was watching a Colorful Minds video, and she had showed the little nail light. And she said it worked. So I was the nail lamp. So I wanted to get that. Did not find it. I went to 2 Dollar Trees and didn't see it, so I had to go to a 3rd one. But I didn't need these, and I've had some of one of these before. But anyway, I just got some of the nail wraps. It was in that mood. So I just got some of these to play around with during the holidays. and see how they work, look, and last. So I just figured I'd play around with some different looks. I did pick up the shipping labels, so they really sticker sheets when you really think about it. But sticker labels, it says for inkjet or laser. And then I picked up some just pretty nail files. And I picked up a couple stencils. I like these stencils, but these could be a 20 background, so I'm gonna have to make some 20s out of these. Love that. I gotta send that to my sister, show what that looks like. That's a cute one. It says, good morning, have a nice day. And then this one just said different sports, because kids have played all of those. And then I did get some pencils. So I want to do something with them. This is Hello Kitty and Pets too. They also had Horton Hears a Who, Dr. Seuss, and I think it was another one I meant to go back and get SpongeBob. And then some solid, what's the word? That's a hieroglyphic, whatever that word is. I can't think of it right now. Too late in the middle of the night. Holographic, whatever the word I'm trying to say. The moment is escaping me. And I got those. So that was it for that. And then I just got a little something from Miss Tonya from MemoryLaneKeepsakes. Thank you, Tonya. And it came like this. And I cut it, so I haven't looked at it yet. So pull it out. Alright, you got it in here. Why I don't want to come out? Because I'm on the air, that's why. Anyway, so she sent me this die, Elizabeth Crafts. Thank you. And you know, these have some stars and some hearts. And that says joy. It looks like it says joy. Or maybe, no, it's not. I thought maybe it was a fancy script, but it's just a little flower thing. And then we got this heart dangle, and then we got some floral. So you can use these in multiple different ways to make a card and things like that. So it's calligraphy elements, it says. So, thank you, Miss Tonya. And then she sent me a card. Sending inky hugs your way. And you see what she's got on the back? Booyaka, sealed with a kiss. Bam, and it's mistletoe. And then this says, look at this stamp right here. Crafty friends are the best of friends. That's my girl. Y'all got to check out Memory Lane Keepsake. Miss Talented. Her link will be below as well. So please go check her out. I love this. It's stamped on the back, your seal. And she made me a card. And before I return it over, it says, created by hand, inspired by life, one of a kind, art created by MLK